How to hide or unhide your birth date on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can hide or unhide your birth date on Rednote application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to hide or unhide your birth date on your Rednote app. So first thing first, go ahead and launch your Rednote application on your device. After that, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you will be taken to a profile page. And under here, you can find this profile section right here beside settings. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. So here, in order to add a birth date, you can go ahead and tap on this birth date option right here. And you can go ahead and choose up your birth date from here, from the year you were born, and tap on save. So in order to publicly display your birth date or show your birth date on your profile, you're going to go ahead and enable this option. But if you want to hide your birth date, you're going to go ahead and disable this option, and your birth date no longer will appear on your profile page of your Rednote. So therefore, these are the processes you may follow up in order to hide or unhide your birth date on Rednote application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.